How's going on, gossipy reaction? Welcome back to the video. Today we are reacting to Bad Time Parody of Good Time in someone's future, something like that. I asked YOUDJsmell if I could react to this. He said, "Yep." So we're here with the reaction video. So without further ado, I watched about half of this, close to half, something like that. So let's get into this. 1, 2, 3, and boom. YOUDJsmell also get the Saiyans voice, that's why he's doing this. Bass beats JD did I think the beat, and then CMI did the Frisk voice. So I'll leave the original video link in the description down below. YOUDJsmell left all the links in the description of this video, so go check out those links. So because I'm too lazy to put them in. So let's continue. I'll put Good Time in the description down below.
Cause you're in for a bad time. Slept in the same clothes cause I didn't care. Snowed in's full of dust blowing everywhere. Your sins prove you're bound to get dunked tonight. Cause you're in for a bad time.
You run but you can't hide. Cause I chose genocide. Now get ready to
YOUDJsmell, if you're watching this, I like the Saiyans voice you put for Saiyans.
head out of this place, look for something new. Stay out of my way or I'll kill you too. So look out cause you're bound to get dunked tonight. Cause you're in for a bad time.
You run but you can't hide.
This is as far as I've made it.
Now get ready to
This is a really good song. This song's really good. I really like it. I like the Good Time song as well. And this one's the Bad Time version. Video's almost over, I think. This song's really good. Yes it is. That is. Yeah, okay. This is the credits. Okay. That is right. So wait for it to end. Okay. So it's dark in here now. So thank you YOUDJsmell for letting me react to this video. It's a really, really good song. The parody of Good Time, Bad Time. It's really good. It's a really good song. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like for more, comment, subscribe to get epic reaction on me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.